Welcome to this comprehensive guide on growing your very own avocado tree in a pot. Many people believe avocados only thrive in tropical climates or large orchards. However, with the right approach, you can successfully cultivate a beautiful avocado plant right in your home or urban garden. This guide will walk you through each essential step, from selecting the perfect seed to nurturing a thriving plant. Growing avocados from a pit is a rewarding project that connects you directly with nature. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of green to your living space. The journey begins with selecting a healthy avocado seed. Any avocado variety can work, but Hass avocados are a popular and readily available choice. Look for a ripe avocado, as its pit will have a higher chance of germination. Once you've enjoyed your avocado, carefully remove the pit. Ensure it is free from any damage or mold, which could hinder its growth. A healthy, intact pit is crucial for successful sprouting. After removing the pit, gently wash off any remaining avocado flesh. This prevents mold growth, which can quickly ruin your sprouting efforts. Be careful not to damage the pit's outer skin during cleaning. Now, identify the top and bottom of the pit. The slightly flatter end is usually the bottom, where the roots will emerge. The more pointed end is the top, from which the sprout will grow. The classic toothpick and water method is excellent for beginners to observe the sprouting process. Insert 3 or 4 toothpicks evenly around the middle of the pit. These toothpicks will act as a support system. Suspend the pit over a glass of water, ensuring the bottom third of the pit is submerged. Place the glass in a warm spot with indirect sunlight. A windowsill is often an ideal location for this stage. Patience is key during the sprouting phase. Change the water every few days to prevent mold and keep it fresh. You might notice the outer brown skin of the pit beginning to crack and peel. Within 2 to 6 weeks, you should see a taproot emerge from the bottom of the pit. Soon after, a small sprout will appear from the top. Continue to maintain the water level, keeping the roots submerged. Once the stem is about 6 to 7 inches tall and has developed a few leaves, it's time to transfer your seedling to a pot. Choose a pot that is at least 8 to 10 inches in diameter with good drainage holes. Proper drainage is vital to prevent root rot. Fill the pot with a well-draining potting mix. A blend designed for citrus or general houseplants often works well. Create a small hole in the center and carefully plant your avocado seedling, leaving the top half of the pit exposed above the soil line. After potting, water your seedling thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot. This helps settle the soil around the roots. Avoid overwatering, as young avocado plants are susceptible to root rot. Place your potted avocado in a location that receives plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. A south-facing window is often ideal. Protect your young plant from direct, harsh afternoon sun, especially during its early stages. Consistent watering is crucial for a healthy avocado plant. Feel the top inch or 2 of the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply until you see drainage from the bottom of the pot. Never let your plant sit in standing water, as this can lead to root rot. Conversely, do not let the soil dry out completely for extended periods. Maintaining a consistent moisture level is the goal. Avocado trees thrive in bright light. As your plant grows, aim to provide at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. If natural light is limited, consider supplementing with a grow light. Rotate your pot periodically to ensure all sides of the plant receive adequate light. This encourages even growth and prevents the plant from leaning towards the light source. Once your plant is about 6 months old, you can begin a regular fertilization schedule. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or a liquid fertilizer specifically formulated for citrus or avocado trees. Follow the product instructions carefully. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, typically spring and summer. Reduce or stop fertilizing during the dormant winter months. Over-fertilization can harm your plant. Pruning is important for shaping your avocado plant and encouraging bushier growth. When your seedling reaches about 12 inches tall, pinch off the top 2 sets of leaves. This encourages side branching. Continue to prune any leggy or unruly growth to maintain a compact and attractive shape. Regular pruning also helps improve air circulation within the plant, which can deter pests and diseases. As your avocado plant grows, it will eventually outgrow its current pot. You'll know it's time to repot when roots start to emerge from the drainage holes or the plant's growth slows significantly. Repot into a container that is 2 to 4 inches larger in diameter. Repotting is best done in the spring. Gently remove the plant from its old pot, loosen any circling roots, and place it in the new pot with fresh potting mix. Water thoroughly after repotting. Potted avocado plants can occasionally encounter pests like spider mites, aphids, or mealybugs. Inspect your plant regularly for any signs of infestation. Early detection is key to effective treatment. For minor infestations, a strong spray of water or an insecticidal soap can often resolve the issue. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overwatering to prevent fungal diseases. While growing avocados from seed in a pot is primarily for ornamental purposes, fruit production is possible, though it can take many years. Most seed-grown avocados take 5 to 13 years to fruit, if at all. Grafted trees fruit much sooner. To increase your chances of fruit, ensure your plant receives optimal care, including plenty of light, proper nutrients, and consistent watering. Some growers experiment with hand pollination, but success is not guaranteed. Yellowing leaves can indicate either overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Check your watering schedule and consider a balanced fertilizer. Brown leaf tips often suggest dry air or inconsistent watering. Stunted growth might mean your plant needs a larger pot or more nutrients. Always assess your plant's environment and care routine when issues arise. Adjusting one factor at a time helps identify the problem. With these steps, you are well equipped to embark on your avocado growing adventure. Enjoy the process, observe your plant's growth, and celebrate each new leaf. Happy gardening!